Stop losing your game saves. Let's conquer Steam Cloud errors right now. Encountering that frustrating Steam Cloud error can feel like a digital disaster, but don't worry. We've got you covered with a straightforward guide to get your game saves back in sync. First, let's ensure Steam Cloud is enabled for the specific game causing you trouble. Open your Steam client, right-click the game in your library, select Properties, then click on Updates. Make sure the box for Keep Game Saves in the Steam Cloud is checked. If it's already checked, try unchecking it, closing the Properties window, then reopening it and checking it again. This simple toggle can sometimes refresh the connection. Next, let's look at your general Steam Cloud settings. Go to Steam in the top left corner, then Settings. Navigate to the Cloud tab. Ensure Enable Steam Cloud Synchronization for applications which support it is ticked. If it is, try unchecking it, closing Steam completely, not just minimizing, but exiting the application, and then restarting Steam. Once Steam relaunches, go back to these settings and re-enable Steam Cloud. A stable internet connection is crucial for cloud synchronization. Make sure your Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection is strong and stable. Try restarting your router and modem, unplugging them for about 30 seconds and plugging them back in. A renewed network connection can often resolve intermittent syncing issues. Sometimes, pending Steam updates or game updates can interfere with cloud sync. Check your downloads page in Steam for any ongoing updates. If Steam itself needs an update, ensure that's completed before attempting to sync your game saves. Letting all software components update fully is always a good practice. If the issue persists, we might need to manually intervene. Locate the save game files for the problematic game on your computer. You can usually find these in your Documents folder, or sometimes within the game's installation directory. Once found, back up these files to a safe location on your computer, perhaps a separate folder or even a USB drive. Then, you might need to delete the existing cloud save files from Steam, though this is a more advanced step, and you should proceed with caution after backing up. After following these steps, try launching the game. Steam should now attempt to resync your save files. You'll often see a prompt asking if you want to use the files from your computer or the Steam Cloud. Choose the option that corresponds to your most recent save. Hopefully, your game saves are now safely in the cloud and accessible across your devices, ending that frustrating error.